Alright, we're back. Ryan, we're back. Arky, we're back.
We're back, baby!
I've decided to come in on our Saturday. I've got my little boy with me as well. He's currently watching some trucks, but that will last a whole total of about a minute and a half. So we're going to get the metal stuff and we're going to just start. I was thinking Arky's Japanese. That'll help me. Just him being Japanese.
I already approved.
He's already approved. So if you're hating out there, I mean, if you're this...
Your opinions don't matter. My opinion matters.
That's pretty opinionated. I don't know what I was going to say, but we're just going to jump to the chase. I'll remember later on. Oh, I'm going to paint the other guard too, because that's really bothering me. And this is... I took it for a drive to the other workshop, which is not far at all. And this was just doing this. So we're going to brace it, because I thought it was going to fall.
My arm on it, it's like swinging.
Yeah.
I thought you were like ripping the half the boot off when you were doing that. I'm like,
no, it was... Hey, look, it's only on there on like 2 bolts. I think there are 8mm bolts with a decent washer behind, but yeah, we're gonna brace it. So that's one thing. I don't quite know what I'm still gonna do with the bottom half. It even might work out that I've done this and then I'll do the top and then I'll think of another idea on how to do it. So I don't really watch much YouTube for like builds like this. Like I see things here and there, so I'm using very minimal kind of knowledge, just quick observations what I've noticed and putting it in and trying it out. Thank you for coming on this journey with us. Oh yeah, hey, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you guys are, welcome.
What's up, baby?
Oh, what the hell? There goes the tire. Cobes, tell everyone, what do you think of this, of the spinny light? What do you think?
Spinny light.
Oh yeah, how's the other one?
Light. Orange light.
So cool.
It's a light.
Oh, no lights here.
Huh?
It's just a headlight.
are they light bulbs?
Let's
They're cool, right? They're really cool.
just make some orange light.
He wants an orange light.
Yeah.
Tell us what you were thinking.
Well, I'm kind of, like I said before, my idea will change. So I was kind of thinking of going something like this to probably there, and having one off there.
So 2 posts and then the wing up here.
Yeah, something like that.
Nice.
Or, so I was looking at cutting, so it'll come over like level with the window sill, which is about here. I'll cut it into there and then just run along. So then that way that can sit right in the middle there.
Yeah.
And then that, so just create a flat, true flat surface, and then that way I can make it off there rather than trying to fill in gaps or trying to shape or go under.
Yeah.
Weird. Obviously I can't weld too much here because I don't be buying a window for this.
I think it would be better if you make the curves work and then end on a square. It's obviously harder to fabricate that, but I just think it's gonna look like it's just sitting on top and not so much a part of the car, if you know what I mean.
Well, I'm thinking we can bog it,
Oh yeah?
like, to match it.
True. So just,
It's not too, like, actually up the very top of the boot here, or the tailgate, it's actually, like, it is curved, but not as curved as
it is pretty straight.
So, I know the whole car's just in the turd shape,
Yeah.
but I reckon I'm going to go for this, and let's just see what happens.
Sweet.
First version, everyone's seen, that was terrible. It's over there in the garden, if it's called a garden. Rock bed.
Rock bed.
Yeah. So so we're gonna do that. Let's do that.
Okay, he's just cutting into the pipe to match the curvature a little bit. So it doesn't sit as high up on top of the tailgate.
I'm gonna mark it because I'm gonna go way off.
That's very loud.
It is.
Oh, very straight.
Hey, Daddy.
I've gone further.
Hey, Daddy.
Thanks, bud. Making a wing. Oh my gosh. How does it?
I don't know if there's a point on even marking this at the moment.
I am holding my finger on it. I'm like, it's actually really hard. It like finds the. Thanks, buddy. Thanks.
He's helping.
Excuse me, bud. Believe it or not,
Good
he
job.
helped me put an IKEA bed together. So continuation from the other day, we have done some bit more progress. Not a whole lot, but this is what we've done. So we've got, I've welded that onto there, same as here, and I've marked a precision hole of about here. So I'm gonna get happening. So what do you reckon, Travis?
I don't know, I reckon we're going to get defected, but we'll be right. It'll be right.
It will.
Easily cut it off with a grinder. Just carry a grinder at all times.
Look at that perfect cut.
Cut twice, measure once.
Yeah, we cut twice. Measure. I'm just into things just fitting straight away. Anyway, we're gonna get this piece now here. I've marked it, and we're gonna that. Yep.
Yeah, I think that's going to work well.
So
It'll work well.
I actually don't know how we're gonna. I'm almost tempted to use wood at this point, but I can't weld wood. Alright, so we move this Gronk in for some slightly better light. We're gonna have to stop this build because
Party bus is here.
the party bus.
Come Dave, look, we got a party the fucking bus. What a rig. We've also got Fat Cali Lane.
Oh wow. Yeah. So how'd you make it from? How'd you get from California to North Korea like
It's
this?
difficult. I definitely got looked at by a cop because of the other side.
Stopped. Customs stopped.
You should show him the other side.
Oh.
Jesse's house.
So the two wagons haven't been together yet. They just have. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, I was definitely driving next to a cop now.
It's fine. Well, look.
No problem.
To be removed off-road? That's not an off-road vehicle. How the hell are you going to get off the road?
But mate, what are you, an idiot, mate? Look how low this thing is. It's not going anywhere. Someone mounted a table in the back of the car. Sort of looks underneath it. Kind of looks very hideous at this point. I feel like I've come to the realization.
What we're going for?
Now, I feel like Bazoku cars look really incredible on a video. It's kind of like, man, this is really kind of hideous to a degree. Had a friend here earlier and he is really thrilled for me to end this project and not continue. Oh, Matt, we're continuing. What, you reckon brace it there from there?
Yeah, probably.
Spit up. Go forward, go forward. Like down. Pull that down. Yeah, man. Pull it out, man.
Oh, yeah. Oh, get out of the hole.
It's always good when you make guides. You
I needed more speed.
It's always good when
More speed. Sorry.
I love having guides.
friends guide me.
Hey, just a quick. He doesn't have a Gronk shirt on, but look at these bad boys. Yeah, boy, we did. We're Gronks.
They're for sale.
Well, we're not. We're anti-Gronks. No, but we are
no.
Gronks. I don't even really know.
We're Gronks. We're anti-Gronk, but we are Gronks.
Now I'm stuck. Shit, actually I might be stuck.
All right, so we're basically we're gonna tech screw it. I painted it, braced it, putting that. Yep. Let's go. Oh, Travis Lister impressions.
I love it. I seriously love it.
This is what I had in mind the first time. So this thing is definitely a far better thing. Yes, I went to tech screws because I was not welding that again.
I converted him.
You
The whole
converted
way
me
through the whole job,
oh.
I've been like, just tech screw it, just tech screw it. And he's like, no. Need it better. I'll convert him.
I mean, that does look pretty terrible, but yeah, one tech screw broke, so
Nice. Perfect.
your plans are flawless.
No, that's perfect.
Oh, is it? Okay. This is how we're looking from behind. I braced up. I put a couple
So we're
rods
looking behind.
from behind. Ooh, that's a nice shirt. I've got these bad boys here, so I can still actually remove this. I have welded that there, yes, but I mean it's just tucked in.
Shirt. No. Shirt.
Tucked in spoiler. But that is how that's looking from back there.
Easily undetectable.
Through the office door, but anyway, this is. I might just get rid of the stuff. I'm gonna eat some food, and I feel like the gold helps it too.
Yeah.
It kind of brings out what the idea is.
Yeah. We've got to paint this back too.
Yeah, I know every week we're running out of time. Like we just do this thing takes so long. We've been so busy with work stuff. We're literally. If I ideally want to stop, do nothing for a couple months, and then show you a bunch of work, but you guys.
7:30 at night on a Tuesday.
Well, it's Tuesday,
Yeah.
so it does just take a while.
We've been here all day as well for work.
Yeah, Maximus.
So good.
So the plan is for here is to sheet to go over that, I think. Tell you what, I don't mind that. I almost reckon we do a sheet, just literally we'll close that up and join that. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So it's, yeah.
Because it's not meant to be airflow.
No.
And then bog.
I mean, seriously, if it was meant to be airflow, we'd be floating the front wheels off the ground.
Wheelie good. We've got downforce from here. We've got downforce pushing down with the exhaust. I tell you what, the tailgate's taken like a champ.
Yeah.
We'll get a rolling shot, I reckon. Get a little bit of rolling shot to see how I do. I really want to paint this, but I really need to be home and put my children to bed at this point in time, so here I am doing this for you guys. Mind you, we're having fun. Like, as tiring as this is, we're actually having a bit of fun doing this.
Yeah.
Just expressing our ideas and how to do something. No one here on the Gulf has really done things like this. At least not that I know of. So, and definitely no one on Falcons. So,
Yeah.
yeah, like I said, one of my mates was here earlier. They're not as pumped, but look, that's okay. We don't do it for you. We just do it because we want it. That's how we roll. Oh, looks so much we obviously need the clout boy because we don't know how to do it. We need Cam. How
How the hell do you...
he does it
bloody
mint every
teabag it?
time. Here we are revving the trumpet off this thing, trying to do it looking like
30-year-olds trying to bloody... do
It's
clout.
a midlife crisis, mate. I'm almost a 30. I've got to run my car. You do it? Thanks for watching, guys. We have finally somewhat satisfied with the wing. It's kind of turned into a bit of a tent, so I thought we'd go camping outside in the night time with no fire in front of the workshop for about 3 minutes to do this little thing. Thanks for watching, guys. New merch, anti-Gronk Club on the website. They're our proudest shirt ever. I mean, how could you not be proud? Oh, my dad's proud. Sure, my dad doesn't know. Dad, if you're watching, look at my shirt. In the back.
Le back. Le front.
Le front. Le back. Peace out, guys. Till next week.